Hey, Grant here, and today I want to show you what you need to know about this weeding tool I have. I'd like to thank the company for sending it to me so I can do this video. Let's get going on it.
Well, this is what it comes with in the box. They're pretty generous, actually. It's got 4 pieces for the handle. You've got your rake part with the tines. This is 8 tines on this, and it's really pretty heavy duty made. And they got the screws for attaching the tine to your handles. They even included a screwdriver and a wrench for whenever you need to change out and get new tines for this. And they threw in a pair of gloves. So pretty neat, pretty generous. So this is how it comes. This is going to be easy peasy.
Okay, so we'll start with the rake end with the tines. I want to let you know these are very sharp, so be careful when you're handling it. An old man like me, I just look at myself and I start bleeding, so be careful on this. Anyway, the way you want to start with, you've got 4 different handles to put together, so you can do different sizes. You can do 5-foot handle, 4-foot handle, 3-foot. This is roughly within a few inches of each one. How you know that this is the one to use with the rake, it has 2 holes in the end. That's all you're looking for. Your rake end has 2 holes in it. Okay, you line up your hose and you put your bolts through them. You have 2. And they're winged, and just turn it over and you put your wing nuts on each one. So there, now your handle's attached on the end of your rake. So now you just go through your next handles, however long that you want your rake to be, that's how many handles you add. And your last rake handle is going to be this one that's got the hole on the end. And that's, of course, that's for hanging it in your shop or whatever. So just choose either one of the other 2. And if it's got the black end, then on this end you got your threads. You just put it in, tighten it, and now you've got a roughly 3-foot rake. If you want to go more, get the next one. It's got the black end and the threads. You just put it in the black end of the other one, screw it in. Now you've got roughly a 4-foot rake. And then if that was as long, whatever length that you're going to use, make sure you do this one on the last one. Okay, we're going on with the 5-foot length. Do the last one, which has got the setup to be able to hang. And now we have 5-foot weeding rake, and this sucker means business. You can run it through your yard, to help your grass breathe. It'll thin out the garbage that's all in between your grass blades or whatever, makes it thick sometimes where it can't breathe. Or you can just use it directly in your dirt while you're beginning your gardening, or you can run this through your flower bed where there's room to help get the weeds out from inside those. This is a really handy gadget. This thing is really made solid. It's pretty heavy duty. So if you're in the garden and whatever, gardening or flower beds and whatever, this is a great tool to have. I'm really happy to add this to ours. So that's a weeding rake. I hope this helps. I hope to see you again.